Welcome to Cantae. Today, we are demonstrating the real power and real performance of Cantae Hawk 800 watt mixer grinder powered with a turbo motor that truly delivers 800 watts of grinding strength.
In this video, we will be testing the Hawk 800 watt mixer by preparing a full jar of green chili and ginger paste, and we will see how quickly and smoothly it delivers result.
The Cantae Hawk 800 watt mixer grinder is engineered for durability, stability and performance. It comes with heavy duty stainless steel jars made with 18 gauge steel, which makes them strong, corrosion free, safe for food use and long lasting.
The jar lids are made from polycarbonate material, which is unbreakable and highly durable. These lids come with the clip lock system, ensuring a tight seal so that the jar becomes spill free during operation.
Here, we have a full jar of fresh green chilies and ginger. We will now load them into the stainless steel jar, secure the polycarbonate clip lock lid and start the grinding process.
As you can see, the mixer runs smoothly without vibration or spillage. Within seconds, the powerful turbo motor and specially designed blades begin breaking down even tough fibrous ingredients like ginger and chillies,
Giving you a fine and even paste. And here is the final result. A smooth, well-ground ginger and chili paste, prepared in very little time.
This is the real performance of Cantae Hawk 800 watt mixer grinder.
While others talk about 30-minute continuous grinding capability, technically we can provide the same guarantee. But the truth is, in daily home kitchens, nobody grinds continuously for 30 minutes.
What every home user really wants is faster results in minimum time. Where many mixers take 2 to 3 minutes to grind, our Cantae Hawk 800 watt mixer grinder gives smooth results in just 30 seconds, which depends upon load and ingredients.
The Cantae Hawk 800 watt mixer grinder comes with a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-term peace of mind, reliability and trust.
Thank you for watching this video. Buy quality by Cantae.